Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Welcome back. Hold on. Let me bring it down a whole notch. Okay. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If this is your first time, hello. So happy to have you here. My name is Tiffanie Danae and my whole channel is all about lifestyle. It's about fashion, travel, beauty, health, wealth, all of the above. So if this is something that interests you, please make sure and like the video and subscribe to the channel. So, all right, let's get into it. Guys, I'm really happy today. I feel like I shouldn't be like so overjoyed, but I am. I am like thrilled. I have a new purchase back here. You'll see the box. I actually got it on Saturday. Today is Monday, and I wanted to make sure that I unbox this on camera. I'm sure you already know what it is because I would have mentioned it in the description of the video, but man, this piece has been on my wish list for years, and I feel like I had not had the reason to just like spend that amount of money on a planner. And it just felt like there was other bags that I wanted to get, there was other things, other investments. I just felt like it was so low on the list. And before I get into the unboxing, I swear I'm gonna wrap this up and make it really quick. But before I get into the unboxing, the reason that I even decided to pull the trigger, purchase this item is because I just recently have went down a rabbit hole. I'm sure you guys know who Politics and Fashion is. You will probably be recommended her channel if you're here watching this, but she has inspired me with all of her, like, she just loves planning. And so every year I go to like TJ Maxx, I go to like just one-off places and I'll buy a planner. I never really loved them, so I have like just a system that I really don't care for. And so I was inspired by her, and I started watching her videos, and she's just so into it. She's so into her planning, and I was just like, this is giving me life. And so I feel like I just went down this rabbit hole. She introduced me to the second unboxing that we're doing today. There's a box under my Louis Vuitton, and that is Cloth and Paper. And she is the owner of Cloth and Paper. It is a Black-owned brand. She's a woman. Her name is Ashley Reynolds, and she is the brain power behind the brand. She has a whole team. They have been around. I don't know how late I am, but I am so happy that I came across it. And just, I'm gonna pop up her website, her pictures, her videos, just because it's so inspiring. Everything about it, it's just, her whole aesthetic it's clean, it's chic, it's minimalist. It gives you everything that you need, everything that you want to be fed. It feeds it all to you. And she just made this beautiful product, and I was just like, let me spend my money with you. Let me spend my money with you. So after I came across her beautiful collection, and also Rana Plans here on YouTube. You should check her out as well. I'll link her down below. She goes through all of her planning. She uses multiple different vendors, including Cloth and Paper, but I just love like watching them go through their planners and their agendas, their schedules, and it's just everything that I need in my life right now. So, but bringing it back to Cloth and Paper, so she does the subscription box. I didn't get it this time, but she does this monthly subscription box. You should go watch her videos. I think it's called like Esthete, and she has so many good things. It comes out quarterly, actually. She has two different boxes. The Esthete box is like a quarterly subscription, and it has all these different things in there, like candles and glasses and just like different products that you'd want to try. And then also she has obviously like the monthly inserts and just like different things that you would need to like get your planner together. So anyways, I said I wasn't going to talk a long time about it, but here we are. I'm very passionate about it all of a sudden. So anyways, I got these planners. I have these inserts, and I was like, I need something to cover my inserts. And so here, you know, in comes my love, my first love of luxury, and that is Louis Vuitton. I got I don't know I have no idea what it's called, but it is their planner. It's the large size, and I'll pop all the details below, of course, but let me get her out. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Hold on. I feel like I need to introduce oh, I thought I wasn't recording. I'm recording. I was like, we're not doing this again. Hello. I want to introduce to you Louis Vuitton. I'm very proud of this purchase. I had not planned to put this in my budget this month, but I got so excited about it. I went online, I stalked it. You know, it was not available when I went to buy it. I stalked it every minute, every hour, every second. I refreshed, I added it to my cart. When I added it to my cart, it disappeared. Someone else bought it. That was okay. I knew it would come back. I made plans to purchase it when I go to Dallas at the end of this week if I couldn't get it here. But every day I stalked it. I'll be up at 3 a.m., 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 5 p.m., 12 p.m. Didn't matter. 7 p.m., 7:15. I've stalked that site. And it was all for good. All for the greater good of me. Of me and man and whoever else. I don't know. So let's get into this unboxing. I feel like I've chatted enough. So let's just get into it because we want to see the goods, right? All right, let's get into it. So can we start by saying I did this for you guys. Don't judge me and my nails. I wanted them to look pretty for you. I wanted them to be put together, and I painted them before the video. I used this gel top coat thinking that it was like the gel from the nail salon, and it's not. And I've had stuff to do today and they're raggedy, but here we are. Enjoy. So let's get into this. So of course we have, I'm not gonna open this. This is not exciting. That's just like my receipt and stuff. Oh my God. It's time. Okay. Oh, I love doing that. That gives me so much joy. Hello, blue ribbon. Hello, blue ribbon. Okay. All right. Let's open her up. Oh my gosh. Oh, yes. Oh, beautiful. Don't we just love a fresh unboxing? Hello, Louis Vuitton. Look at her. I do too much, but this makes me so very happy. Okay. Oh my goodness. Hello, lover. Yes. Oh, I'm about to smell it. This is what's happening off camera. Oh my goodness. The smell of fresh, new luxury products. Pristine, brand new, out the box, made specifically for me. For me. All right, guys. That was enough of that. Let's get into the cloth and paper box. Oh, that was amazing. Okay. So, look how cute that is. There is luxury and simplicity. Let's keep it in touch. And we love a good recycling moment. This box is made from 100% recycled material. Beautiful. We love it. So the first thing I got, this is all of just like the extra inserts. We have like stickers. We have some other things. We'll open that up shortly. Oh, we have a pen with the double-ended point. And then the best of the best, the real goodies. We have Chow, cute little touch. We love a cute touch like that. Terrible with opening things. All right. Oh, cute. So we are double papered, cloth and paper. So pretty. Don't we love unwrapping? It's just like a gift to yourself. It's so nice. See that? And so my planner is the A5 size. So you'll notice that that is here. So this one is going to be, I have them, I got the inserts for weekly. Oh, that actually looks like it's a duplicate. We'll see. We got weekly, daily, and monthly. I don't know why I have two of those, but that's what we have here. So you can see what that looks like. Nice, very, very nice. Oh, and then I have like a today divider. So I will go deep, like do a deep dive into this. I really just today wanted to do the unboxing, but all of the inserts I'll talk about at a later time. Then we have our sticky tabs. So it comes with 25 sheets, transparent and matte, and we love that. So let's go ahead and open this up. Cute. So we have dot stickers. That's for our monthly calendar. Looks like this is for May. So this is just going to be like one of their cute little inserts. Same thing for this. This can just be like document the moment you feel most in love with yourself. Okay, so just like cute little cards and stuff to decorate your planner with. Focus. We just love that. And it looks like this is going to be my receipt. So this is the gist of everything. This is really what I wanted to go through today, just do the unboxing. So what I'm going to do, obviously off camera, is I am going to get this bad boy together, get all my inserts in, and then I will come back to you guys with a full look at how my planner looks. But I'm so excited. If you all have any questions about anything, cost, just like, I don't even know what you have questions about, but if you have any questions, let me know. But please look forward to the next video where I am going to do a deep dive on how I'm going to be doing my scheduling, how I'm going to be organizing my very new Louis Vuitton planner. That's it. So bye, and I will see you guys in the next video. Ciao.